on the job site now. We're here where the customer originally had a wood deck out here that has been removed, and they're going to be replacing that with concrete, which will last them 3 times longer. No maintenance, no upkeep. Let's get to work. Let's have some fun doing it. There's a few piers left in the ground here from the original deck. I gotta come out for where the concrete's gonna go. It's a DIY channel, so I try to help out customers and have them do as much as they can to save themselves money, but as you can see, the customer didn't finish getting the deck out like that was part of their end of the deal, so about another extra hour of work, no big deal. Get a little workout in the process. Of course, they all come out easier than the last one. What we did here was we ran a string. This is going to mimic the edge of our concrete when it's all said and done. But since our concrete forms are 2x4s, 2x4s are actually only 1.5 inches thick, not 2 inches thick. We'll actually set our stakes that will hold the concrete form 1.5 inches back from here, or you can set your string 1.5 inches back, and now you just have a line to run for your stakes. Once we find our fall, which is our slope away from the house, concrete always slopes away from the house, but we also need to make sure that this line needs to be square off of this foundation so that this line isn't going cockeyed that way, left or right. So to find square off this foundation, you can do what's called the 3-4-5 method, or for you geometry buffs, the Pythagorean theorem. But you go 3 feet out, make a mark, 4 feet this way on the foundation, make a mark. If you connect those 2 dots with a tape measure, that should be 5 feet. That's 5 feet, you got a square line coming square off your foundation. And you can always do that in multiples of 3, 4, 5 for larger areas. You could do 6, 8, 10, so on and so forth. The further out you go, the more accurate you are. So we've got our concrete form all screwed up. It's not attached. So that we know our subgrade's all good. All of our subgrade slopes away from the house. Call it the fall. The fall goes away from the house like it needs to, because that's going to mimic what our concrete's going to do. Now level is going to tell us where we're at. We're looking for this concrete to fall away from the house. So our level is going to tell us where our concrete is sloping. Is it doing this? Is it doing this? Is it sitting level? It's important to know what's our concrete doing. Is it sitting level like this? Is it falling towards the house, which we know is a big no-no? Because when water just traps up against the house, rots out siding, etc., water gets trapped underneath the house. Or is it falling? Right now, see, we're looking pretty good. That's roughly 1/4 inch per foot. I can tell by looking at the bubble from experience. 1/8 inch per foot is okay, but 1/8 inch per foot would be on hard troweled concrete, on finely broomed concrete, on stamped, and anywhere where your issue of drainage, you always want 1/4 inch per foot. So forming concrete steps is a little more tricky. Ultimately, what you're gonna want is these concrete forms for the step itself to be floating. So you think about the bottom of this concrete form. It should finish about to the top of your exterior forms. And that is so that your step is set up to where the bottom of this step, when these forms are pulled the day of the pour, when you're finishing in concrete, the bottom of this step will end up at the top of our big patio out here. So we use steel stakes instead of wood stakes. Steel stakes is so that when we're stripping the form and finishing it while the concrete's setting up, you just grab some channel locks, screws out, the screw gun, give this guy a spin, get it free, it'll slide right out. You got a nice little hole here, real small hole to fill, not a large hole from like a wood stake. So it looks like we're done for today. All of our concrete forms are in. Subgrade's all down to the level it should be. We got slope on our form, 1/4 inch per foot of fall going out, so we don't have water landlocked up against the house. steps in. Next time we'll be here for the concrete.